Hi friends, welcome to Library Time with Efe. Today it's raining outside and I want to go out and find out what happens when it rains. Do you want to come with me? Come on, let's go. Let's start our journey with a song.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. This little boy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. This little girl wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Look, it's raining. Can you see what changes when it rains? And now, it's not raining. What's the difference? Look, it's raining again. Could you hear a difference? What a beautiful white flower. What do you think? What helps it grow? What does a plant need to grow? How do you feel when it rains? What does this tree need to live? We need to drink water to grow. And just like us, plants need water to grow too.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. This little girl wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
See you in the next video. Bye bye.